Hi, today I want to show you how to create 3D sign holders from existing 2D blocks. The functionality is found under Naviate Traffic underneath the Sign Holder Manager and is called Sign Holder from Block. I can select the blocks that I want to transform, or once I've selected one or two, I can use Enter and then select all blocks on the same layer. I can delete all the blocks after they have been created as sign holders. I can use an additional rotation of the plan symbol, and I can also move the plan symbol away from the block if I want to. I can move the section view away from the 2D block, and in this case I'm going to move them 3 meters in X and in Y. I will also align the section view with plan view so they get the same rotation, and then they're going to be created, as we can see here. Depending on the number of blocks that you have, this might take a little while, but once they are created, the sign holder multiple edit is open. And this is, for instance, to change settings for all the signs at once. For instance, I can change the status to existing and change the section scale for all the different sign holders. I'm going to use Apply to apply them to all sign holders at once. Once it's done, we can see the changes here, and I can use OK. We can see that they have been created both in 2D and in 3D. Now, if the functionality found 2 blocks on the same position as it did down here, it's going to add both blocks to the same sign holder, though not necessarily in the correct order. But it's very easy to just move the signs in section view, and both the 2D and 3D will be updated. Thank you for listening.